This is Sakshi Dwivedi, a proud member of Galgotia's Campus Influencer. On 26th and 27th November 2024 are a very auspicious day for the Galgotia's University, as we got a chance to host a 2-day event, Anveshan 2024. With 700 plus participants and 40 plus universities, this event will spotlight innovation, collaboration and research. Anveshan North Zone Convention is an annually conducted regional event organized under the Anveshan Student Research Conventions by the Association of Indian Universities, that is AIU. It includes zonal level conventions across North, East, West and South, leading to a national level convention. Each year, these events provide students and research scholars a platform to showcase their innovation and research projects. Today, our guest of honor for Anveshan 2024 are Dr. Devkanta Pahar Singh. He is a scientist G associated with the Defence Institute of Bioenergy Research and a DRDO lab focused on renewable energy technologies for defence applications. And Dr. Dinesh Sharma, an Indian politician and academic associate with the Bharatiya Janata Party. He currently serves as a member of parliament in the Rajya Sabha representing Uttar Pradesh. He was the Deputy Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh from 2017 to 2022. So let's dive into this innovative event. The objective of Anveshan is to promote research which encourages students to get involved into high-valued research that gets them real-life problems solved. Also providing students or participants a platform where they can showcase their talent in multiple disciplines like agriculture, farming, human science, social science, engineering, etc. and also interdisciplinary researches. Just in a couple of moments, the evaluation round 1, that is poster presentation, will start. It will reveal the teams that are selected for evaluation round 2, that is oral presentation. Then some projects are shortlisted in the convention, proceeding them to national and international level, where the top performers receive recognition and award. The session will be opened with a warm welcome by Dr. Neha Singh, followed by a concluding address by the GU leadership.
This event a grand success. May I please request Dr. Dheeraj sir to come up and deliver the vote of thanks.
को सक्सेस बनाने के लिए अगर मैं नाम लूँगा तो बहुत सारे हैं. Still, I am going to start with you.
सभी लोगों ने मेरे पीछे खड़े होकर मेरा साथ दिया है, चाहे वो एडमिन टीम हो या कोई भी हो, मास्टर ऑफ सेरेमनी.
Now, finally, it's the most awaited session of the event, the award ceremony.
It was such a proud moment for everyone. Huge congratulations to the participants and the winners. First of all, hello to the winners and a huge congratulations to the team. And so to all, my question is, what is your overview about the event and what was your most memorable part of it?
ओवरऑल इट इज़ अ फैबुलस एक्सपीरियंस फॉर मी. ये मेरी फर्स्ट विजिट थी गलगोटियाज़ यूनिवर्सिटी में. मैंने इस इवेंट से पहले गलगोटियाज़ यूनिवर्सिटी का नाम सुन रखा था, कभी विजिट नहीं किया था. आज इस कंपटीशन के उससे यहाँ विजिट करने का मौका मिला. बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा. जजेस बहुत कोऑपरेटिव थे, उनके सजेशंस हमारे प्रोजेक्ट के लिए काफ़ी जेन्युइन थे. एंड ओवरऑल इट इज़ अ सुपर्ब एक्सपीरियंस.
Thank you so much, sir. So first of all, a huge hello to the winners and you, sir. And sir, a very congratulations to you and the team. And my question to you, sir, is now when you have the winners, how do you feel about it? And how much efforts were from your side to guide these students?
my team, and as we are from Lovely Professional University, I am heading Center for Space Research there. That is a unit of research and development cell at Lovely Professional University. These are my students. They are doing interdisciplinary research. So one of the students is from School of Mechanical Engineering, another is from the School of Computer Applications and Computer Science Engineering. Third guy is from School of Electronics. Another two guys are from my team are from School of Aerospace Engineering. So this is a team which requires the expertise of each and every field. And behind any winning moment, you require a full support from the management that we are already getting, and full free hands from the supervisors and from the mentors that I usually always believe in my student that they will do best because they are best.
Thank you so much to the team, and you guys are amazing. Keep rocking like this. Thank you so much. So ma'am, how was your experience at the Envision 2024?
I had a wonderful experience for the last 2 days. I could see our students, very bright, vibrant students. When I visited some of the stalls, I could see the sparks, barely in their fire. They have ideas. Only thing is they are raw ideas. We need to sort of refine them, crystallize them, and then take it forward. It has been a wonderful time for 2 days. I'm sure students must have enjoyed. They must have inculcated the culture and the spirit of scientific temperament. And this is what is required for the student. I'm sure it will take them forward. They will be better in terms of their scientific temperament, and they must have been more rich by their in terms of their knowledge, and also there must be a lot of firing in the brain's cells, which have been nurtured by so many events, so many exhibits which they have visited. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today I'm joined by Dr. Neha Singh, and ma'am, my question to you is that what's your perspective on the importance of events like Envision in fostering research and innovation among the students?
Okay, hi Sakshi. First of all, it's a pleasure to be interacting with dynamic people like you all. And your question is very pertinent that what's the importance of events like Envision, where research, innovation and technology are promoted. As we know that research is the upcoming thing for anyone in the field of development. Science and innovation cannot foster without research. So events like Envision, where Galgotias has been it's a privilege for all of us to be hosting this event, and it is such a beautiful amalgamation of different universities, young dynamic talent minds coming together. The kind of development you have in yourself and how you're motivated for further research is absolutely fantastic. So such events hold a very, very great importance in terms of research also, and in terms of exposure and connections also.
It was a huge pleasure talking to you, ma'am. Thank you so much. That's a wrap in this incredible journey at Envision North Zone Convention 2024. It was so amazing to see this much talent and innovation under one roof. And for latest update of Galgotia universities, stay connected with Galgotia campus influencers.